very durable, but it's so if you have a problem, it's sliding like that. So I was afraid. I changed a new tire.
Especially when you hit the reflectors, when it's raining like this, the tire will drop. Even it's a little scary, but you know.
Yes, actually, I think you're right. What happens is that we normally use a harder compound in India. Reason being, harder compounds, once you have give you a better gas consumption. Softer tire normally fits the road whereas the road
How about the road condition in India?
Wala lang kayo.
it's very similar.
Some of you has a problem. Water. Yeah, inside. It's not the O-ring problem. Sometimes it's just enough. We have a member here who has a problem. On the side, the gasket leaks. I saw it in the internet too. It says one of the problems is that specific right side is dagat. Oil, yung sa seal.
Malapit sa
Dalawa sila ng they always leak. Because before I bought the bike, of course you search the internet and see what's
Another one.
remember the reflector? Mine too is started to melt. And I'm now going to Kawasaki to have it replaced. Then I'm planning to have it replaced with a next time US pulse. It's very hot. You can feel it from the outside. It melts the entire plastic part. This is LS? Actually,
Kasama ba yan doon? Ako nga, di pa ako nakatigaw ng french fries. Marami pinanganak ako.
after 2 weeks,
I won't thanks.
What is your opinion about
actually, you guys got a good.
For the fluid, brake fluid, they kept it inside the body of the bike. So nobody can just open it. Walk around it. For my 200, I can give 7. For my 220, I can give. Maybe you just bought your LS, they will come out with a bigger bike.
Yeah, you got rumors that 250 is coming out.
At the moment, nothing.
That's what they told us when 200 came out. They told you. Mr. Inoue, he told us.
I said only 200 because that time it's only 200. It did not tell me also.
I saw actually the bike, I saw it in the Kawasaki plant. They covered the decals, everything. And I went to talk to the rider. The rider was... Because one Indian guy, I was in the 7-Eleven with my bike. He said, your bike not good. It's very cheap in India, it's very cheap. I said, we race together. If you win, I will give you my bike. And that race with
Yes, promise about it. Like that. Hangin, di ba na? Kasi kaya mo mekaniko magtimpla nun pagka gano'n.
Alin yung spring?
Yung spring? Ano, idle? Dalawa yan, yung idle at saka yung air fuel. Usually yun, mekaniko nagkontrolo nun.
Sinasabi ko mekaniko na take daw siya sa Nakawa. Sabi ko yun, sabi niya, usually,
in the morning? Yes. Also,
Yung ano, 2.5 daw ang
Standard yun. Dapat depende yung kung ano yung makita mo sunog kasi hindi na standard yung pag-ibig.
So, tinignan ko sa at sa asin, may binili akong sa cyber card leader. Ano yun? Kailangan na akong umano, hindi yung spray ko sa yun. Ganun yung sabi ko.
Tatanggalin mo sa dinismarter yun. Pero maganda pa rin yun sa gasoline. Para lang. Usually pagkala, matagal na na-standby dito mo. May backup. Kaya ginagamit ang cargo para palusan. Yes, sir. Hey, thank you very much. Thank you.
Ingat po kayo. Ingat po kayo.
May negosyo na naman.
Kayo. Bye-bye.
Go ka. Sama-sama sila.
Sir, sana dalasan nyo ang dalaw sa tambayan namin.
Susunod. Sorry kasi maswerte nyo nga kayo eh. Hindi sa Starbucks na yan to. Hindi, puro kape ininom nyo to. Napuyat to mga ito. Thank you, thank you.
Sige, sir. Thank you rin.
Bye.
Ay, sabi yung kapatid mo? Ay, nice meeting you.
Bunso namin.
Ay, layo na, nakaka-chat ko minsan yan eh.
Sir, magkano ka? Magsasabi ko ko ng experience mo. Ay, this may pressure to be. May DVD?
Marikar.